Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can increase your conversion rate on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Reddit account. Right here, I found a guy who perfectly explained everything about increasing conversion rate. As you can see, guys, this guy is asking a question. I am a beginner to Shopify and dropshipping and recently built a store. I drop traffic by hiring cheap small Insta influencers. I have been getting consistent sale every Instagram influencer campaign I run, around 2 to 5 orders. However, when I look at my analytics for the lifetime of my store compared to one day, the conversion rate stays at a consistent average of 0.41. I am mainly pushing free plus shipping products. As you can see, guys, this guy has explained everything. Being a digital marketing specialist specialized in e-commerce, I can tell you for sure you are making the same mistakes as every other newbie makes. All the Shopify courses teach you that for being successful, you need to run ads, find Instagram influencers, and right after opening the store, you start spending your money on these, and the result is the problem you are facing right now. The steps you should be taking for having a successful store is work on your website design, choose a theme that is highly customizable, and let your display most of the collection on the homepage. Remember, nobody's going to click on any link if they're not strongly interesting. Make sure your products are unique. If you go just choose some random products from AliExpress, you are not going to be successful, as I can buy the same item from that page with cheaper price. Optimize your store for search engine, add text, all alt text, and also at the end of each product page, you will see the SEO section which you need to optimize and make more search friendly. After that, learn everything about your audience. Find Facebook groups, forums, and other platforms where you can target audiences. Get backlinks, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.